Now listen to me, let me tell you people. Do you see this Reverend Father where post something concerning Evangelist Ebuka Obi? He post something against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Last 3 months ago, one Reverend Father contacted me. I don't know whether not this man, but I don't know. But the number is still on my phone. I told him I'm a Pentecostal. I'm not a Roman Catholic member. I'm a Pentecostal. Though I post Evangelist Ebuka Obi video on my page. This thing that this Reverend Father wrote on his page, he was trying to convince me for me to come online to say this thing online. He's trying to convince me to say this thing online. I'm telling you the truth. He talked many things concerning Evangelist Ebuka Obi, which is I will not come on here and talk on it. And he expected me to say this thing on social media. I did not give him face. I cut him off concerning that case. I don't know why me when they go Pentecostal church, you will be a priest in Roman Catholic, trying to just to destroy your fellow member of church image. Make me when they go Pentecostal church come they speak against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. For what reason? For what reason? How can I come and speak against Evangelist Ebuka Obi? So don't expect me to come online to speaking against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a member of Roman Catholic Church. If they have issue with you people, make una settle on that place. Make una no come online. They talk all this kind of thing when they talk online. I don't understand what is happening. The Bible said that kingdom will fight against kingdom. That is what is happening. You call yourself a priest. Only what you are after is just to condemn. May God have mercy upon this generation. But it's a very shameful thing. It's a very just a shameful thing for this kind of thing to be happening in the Roman Catholic Church. Let me stop it here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebuka Joseph Ezakoba. Shalom.